How to set up Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot. So this feature allows customers or other users to share their home internet connection with visitors while keeping their private network secure. So homeowners can enable or disable this feature using the Xfinity app. So there isn't technically any setup needed. All you'll have to do is to log in to your Xfinity app. Make sure you do have your router obviously with you, but once you have set up your router, you should technically have the hotspot feature available. So just go ahead and log into your Xfinity app, then navigate yourself into the advanced settings. Once you're in your advanced settings, which should be found in your view Wi-Fi equipment, you can go ahead to your Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot network. Over there, you can go ahead and enable or disable the toggle for your hotspot. So it is recommended to use your private Wi-Fi network at home or better security, while Xfinity Wi-Fi is suitable for use when visiting others or traveling. The hotspot does not impact the homeowner's internet speeds or data usage. So that is pretty much how you technically set up your Xfinity hotspot. At this point, all you have to do is just turn it on basically. So the Xfinity hotspot won't cost anything. So it is included at no additional charge for all Xfinity mobile customers as well as eligible Xfinity internet customers. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.